Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you to make $100 per hour. Go to Pydra.com. As you can see on this website, you can turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Pydra to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. So why this website is the best? They have unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day, makes no limit to what you can make per day. You can invite friends. We are paying you to invite your friends to join us, make money from your social circle. They have instant payments. Reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily, 24/7 available. Scroll down and you will see what we offer. Sign up to do tasks. Sign up or subscribe to other websites/offers. Complete surveys. We are offering multiple surveys available for you to complete. Upload videos. Uploading videos have become more profitable than other tasks. Invite friends. Tell your friends about us and make a good revenue. Write about us. Write articles and posts about us and get paid for it. And also all of your earnings are available in one place. As you can see, they have over 930,000 members with 7,877,000 tasks completed and over 1,516,000 payments sent. Why choose us? Pydra is the one and only website that provides multi-stream of income in one single platform, means you will be able to choose what to do with the existing of many options. Complete tasks that are easy for you. Complete surveys about your preferred field. Take unlimited quizzes whenever you want. Invite your friends and family. Avoid working in multiple sites and get your revenue split and hard to withdraw. Scroll down and click on Check Proofs and Reviews. You will be redirected to this page where you are free to navigate and see different payment proofs and reviews. In order to create an account, return to Pydra homepage and click on Create an Account. You will be redirected to this page where you need to fill your first name, last name, username, enter your email, create your password, and click on Sign Up and create an account. After creating an account, you can freely start taking surveys, download apps, doing tasks, invite friends, upload videos, write short articles and do many more so that you can earn money on Pydra. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.